Okay, so I'm going to show you how to download the secure browser for the LAUSD iPad. So first we're going to look for the app catalog, a little blue and yellow icon with a folder. You tap it and we're going to look for, it says Air Secure Test. We're going to tap on, it could say installed, or processing. In any event, just tap on whatever's there. I'm going to tap on processing in my case. We get a message. And we'll press the home button and we see it downloaded. Now, a thing to note is it says secure test, but in app catalog it will say Air Secure Test. So they're both the same. They look different, and this one doesn't have Air in front of it, but that is the icon we want to see. Okay, so when we tap it, you just go in and then you'll do your select your state and everything like that.